Hello everyone, welcome to episode 6 of After Effects series, and in this class we are going to learn about speed remapping, reverse speed remapping. So let's get started. First of all, drag and drop your footages and song. I'm going with this song and recommended adjust your video according to your song. I am going with fast forward because I don't want to waste my time. Now import your footages like this. Wait a minute, we have to change the size of the video. 9020 and 180p, and press S in your video, adjust this like this. Now select your best part of your video which you wanna speed ramp. I wanna this, it's too fast, and bit speed up. I think 95, and Control Shift D and delete your rest of the video. Now select your video, press right click and pre-compose it. Now right click on it, go in time, enable enable time remapping, and here is our final and initial keyframe. Select your both keyframe, press F9 for easy ease, go in the middle of the clip, drag your final keyframe in the middle of your clip, and drag your first keyframe in the end of your clip, and drag your value as soon as possible. Okay, now select your all the keyframes, go in graph editor or make a curve like this, half curve like this. More longer this handle and more smoother the animation is, and our animation looks like this now. Okay, and for better smooth animation, enable your frame blending. Now this is reverse time remapping. Let's drag and drop bit more footages like this. I just imported my footages and select the best part I wanted. Now Control Shift D plus delete, and here. Okay, this point Control Shift D plus oh shit, I deleted all the videos. Control Shift plus delete. Now pre-compose this. Make sure your sound is disabled. Pre-compose the clip and go in time remapping. Drag your first of all you should cut the rest part of pre-compose video. Cut it and drag the final keyframe in the middle of the video. Okay, and drag the first keyframe in the end of the video, and reset the value here by dragging down, and press U in your keyboard if your keyframe is hidden. And now select all the keyframes, press F9, and again make the same graph we created previously like this. It's quite easy. Okay, and now this, and now our animations looks like this. Okay, remember guys, this is a reverse time speed remapping, and now let's create a speed remapping. That means time remapping, normal time remapping, what you want to say. Now it's time to create a normal speed time remapping. First of all, scale up this video. Okay, now select your best part of your video, here. This part, Control Shift T for delete. One bit here, one bit here, bit forward, and now go in time. It's a guys, if it enable, then you can select your tool from here. This is hand tool. You can select your footages, drag it on anywhere. Okay, this is hand tool. This is how it's work. and this is selection tool. Now right click on your clip, go in time, again enable time remapping, add a beat mark here, initial. Okay, add your next keyframe, and if you drag this value forward and backward, the keyframe automatically added. Okay, drag your value this forward like this, and again drag this value forward like this. Okay, and select your all the keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, go in graph editor and make a same graph again we created in previous video. And again it's a hand tool, we need to selection tool, and one handle downward and one handle upward, just like that. It's funny guys, it's literally funny. Editing on memes are actually funny. Just like that, downward forward, and here we go. Oh wait a minute, we need to adjust our hand tool here. Okay, and now it's literally funny. Imagine someone chasing you and suddenly speed rap started in real life. And now our final editor looks like this. Okay, this is reverse time speed remapping, and this is not simple speed remapping. Look at this. And for better optical flow, please enable your frame blending mode. This and this. And if you have a plugin installed in your After Effects, please add RSMB Pro. That's a motion blur guys, and you can also enable motion blur from here. Oh sorry, means here. It's a motion blur. I don't recommend RSMB Pro because I now mostly don't have this plugin. Mention note guys, in future I will give away all the plugins pack in one video. And now our final edit looks like this: reverse time speed remapping and speed remapping. Done. Done. I think it's time to end this season guys, and before ending the video I have to tell you something guys. Please practice 20 minutes at least a day for mastering this software. And in this video we will learn about reverse time speed remapping and speed remapping. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.